Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stevie, the smile behind Steviemstarks, and today we are doing some makeup therapy, okay? I'm doing a very simple makeup look that I wore for Thanksgiving, and I wanted to just talk you through what I did. So as you can see right now, I am applying this primer by Danessa Myricks Beauty. I am a combo skin girl, so this primer keeps all my oils at bay. I absolutely love it, and it is a must when I know that I'm going to keep this makeup on all day. Then I am going in with the Rare Beauty Brow Gel. You can use this brow gel if you want to do a laminated eyebrow look, or if you just want to keep your brows in place. And today, that's what I'm doing. I'm not doing a lot to my eyebrows today, but I also don't want them to move. The key with this brow gel is to brush it through all your hairs and lay the hairs exactly where you want them to lay. Then let it dry. This is so important. Next, I'm going in with the House Labs foundation. If you are on TikTok, you know that this is a viral foundation. When I tell you I only used one pump and look, it has concealed my dark spots, and that's exactly what I wanted because I didn't want too much makeup on my face. So I knew that I wanted very minimal foundation just to cover my dark spots. So as you can see, I am focusing on my cheeks and my jawlines because that's where I still have dark spots and hyperpigmentation from when I had hormonal acne. I am using very little product on my forehead and all the places that I don't have hyperpigmentation. I mean, using very minimal foundation. You can see on the back of my hand, it's not much at all. I have been gravitating towards this foundation for the winter because I like to use dewy foundations during the winter. As you can see, my skin looked absolutely amazing. The foundation did what it was supposed to do. Now it is time to cover these dark circles, y'all. I am going in the inner corners of my eyes and the outer corner of my eyes. And then I'm going in the inner corners of my eyelids because I have some darkness on my eyelids and I just want to use concealer to make sure that my eyelids are all one color. Then I am going in with Huda Beauty's concealer, and this is a very light shade. I'm only using it in the inner corners of my eye to brighten up under my eyes a little more. After that, it's time for bronzer. I am using Say Beauty's Dewy Bronzer. Like I said before, I like using dewier products in the winter because I want to bring moisture back into my skin. After I apply the bronzer, I'm going in and I'm setting all that liquid makeup with a setting spray. I have found that when I do this, the products just set better to me. I don't know, it's just something that I've been doing since the summer and I am loving the results. Then I go in with this Patrick Ta dual-ended brush, which is one of my favorites, and I'm blending out the bronzer first. I love to blend out my bronzer first just to let that concealer set a little longer. If you want to get the most coverage out of your concealers, let it sit. Okay, honey, you will thank me later. Then I'm going in with LYS Beauty's blushes. I love how pigmented these are. Some people can get very intimidated by the pigment, but I promise if you just take your time and blend it out like I'm doing right here, you can see that it is not that strong of a color. It's strong the word that I want to say. Probably not as bright. There you go. When people see brightness, they get intimidated. Blend that blush out and I promise you it will not be as bright. But you can always go back and add more if you do like the brightness of blush. Now at this point, my concealer has probably been sitting for a good 2 minutes. And as you can see, that coverage is there. Take the time again and just blend it out so that the base looks like this. Now to set the cream bronzer, I'm going in with this NARS bronzer. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't know if I really like this bronzer because I can't really see it. You let me know below in the comments. Do you see a difference? Did you see any result with that bronzer? I'm still trying to make up my mind. But to set the cream blush, I'm going in with Juvia's palette. This is my go-to powder brush. I I said brush, powder blush. I just love the mixture between the orange and the burgundy. It just gives me this beautiful shade of pink. You see that? Now I have oily skin, especially in my T-zones, so I have to set the concealers under my eyes and around my mouth area. So I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting powder. I believe that's what it's called. And I am just setting where I put concealer under my eyes. Then I wanted to try something different and apply the cream bronzer to make my nose look a little bit more defined. Then I go in with a setting powder that is my skin tone, and this is by Hourglass. I absolutely love this stuff. It gives me this airbrushed look, and I've been using this for about a year and I am still obsessed with it. When I was done using most of my setting powders, I realized that the blush had gone away some, so I went in and applied more powder blush just to bring out some more color. To set the powders, I went in with the Makeup by Mario setting spray, which just makes everything melt together. If you like a matte eyeliner, you will absolutely love the House Labs eyeliner. It is super matte, okay? Super matte, but it is so pretty. And the tip of the eyeliner allows you to get that precise wing, which I absolutely love. I don't know why a lot of people don't talk about Fenty Beauty's mascara, but it is definitely in my top 3 for favorite mascaras of 2024. It just does everything that I need it to do. It gives me length, it gives me volume, it does all the things, and I am so confused why more people don't talk about this. Now, a little bit about me. I am still getting used to doing my bottom lashes. It is so hard for me to do my bottom lashes. Like, I have to really concentrate to do them to make sure I don't get any mascara under where I just placed the concealer, because then I'm just gonna be mad. And now it's time for my final setting spray. This is the Milani Make It Matte, I believe. That's the official name. But I like to always end my makeup routine with a matte setting spray because, like I said, I'm an oily girl and I just want to keep those oils at bay. And that is it. That is all I did to my makeup for this makeup look. Let me know below in the comments, how are you liking this makeup look? Would you try it? Would you consider this beginner friendly? Maybe I'm just biased because I have been doing makeup for so long, but I really felt like this was an easy, natural makeup look to do. Again, I would love some feedback in the comments. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!